Even as doctors continue their protest demanding safety, Times Network carried out a reality check at one of Delhi's oldest and most prestigious government hospitals, Hindu Rao Hospital, that is. Take a look at what was found by my colleague Tejashree.
Currently, I'm standing outside the Hindu Rao Hospital, and in fact, we'll try to go inside the hospital, and in fact we'll also do a security check so as to how alert the security. And you see here, we will be easily able to go inside without any hindrance. Nobody is checking, asking us so as to who are we, from where we have come. So this completely shows the picture of how easily a person can come inside. There is no security check, no metal detectors as such, and in fact any person who wants to walk in can easily come inside. And in fact, this particular area leads to the casualty ward. This area also leads to the emergency, and ambulance is also standing over here. And outside you saw the auto rickshaws also standing over here. So completely this shows that kind of security this particular area has as far as the entry and exit is concerned. There you see is the disaster ward, there is the casualty ward, emergency ward, and again the condition remains to be the same regarding entry and exit. As we've seen that at most of the entry and exit gates of Hindu Rao Hospital, the security is not deployed at all. Anyone can enter easily. Here I am standing at one of the gate at Hindu Rao Hospital, and we'll show that what is the condition. First, Ankit, show the visuals of that side, that how the area is over here. This is our car, and in fact this is the particular area, isolated, completely isolated. In the midnight we are reporting and showing that how is the condition over here. This adjacent entry is completely open. You see Hindu Rao Hospital entry area, nobody stopping. You can come easily inside, barge in. Anyone can easily come inside and walk in. Now if you walk down the lane, there is one nursing home where there is hardly any security, and then this entire lane again is empty. This is the girls hostel, there the boys hostel, which is under construction, and the repairing work is going on, and adjacent to it is one more hostel. So if you keep on walking, you will get the casualty over there. So yes, if a female doctor has to come from this entrance, then this is what she'll have to face. This condition is extremely horrifying, because we ourselves are reporting in the midnight. Me and Ankit is showing you the visuals over here so as to what is the condition. No guard, no bouncer, and in fact the CCTV cameras are present. The doctors told that the CCTV cameras, despite being present, not even working is what they allege. But yes, the condition over here is certainly concerning, because we have seen that no security is deployed over here. Now you see, first of all, when you enter this particular area, this is the main area where you will get to see the admission process. The admission happens here. Slip is made over here, and in fact the stretcher is also provided from this particular area. But you see, of course, dogs are there, but apart from that there is no security, no guard present over here. The lifts in fact are not working, and in fact the people are lying down on the floor. No idea from where they have come. There one person is lying here, 2 to 3 4 5 6, don't know how many people are lying on the floor. And in fact we will also go to that side of it. In fact, this is the main area where the registration of the patients is being done. And again, what important to note over here is that it is 12 in the midnight. Times now is inside the Hindu Rao Hospital where the registration is done. One alone lady is sitting inside this particular registration desk. No security, no guard, no CCTV over here. CCTV cameras are present over there, but the doctors of this hospital clearly told us that CCTV cameras are not working. And in fact, the lady who is sitting inside, on the condition of anonymity, she also informed us that she has come over here along with her husband. And in fact, also the matter of the fact is that there is no lock in this entire vicinity. Anyone can come from anywhere, so that is why she has to bring a lock for herself, and this has been continuing for years.
Amit,